Pues en Grado, en Albergue son grandes aquí preparados. Sí, 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 sí.
That's a steep ascent. Ay, Grado. Good morning. We're day 2 on our Camino Primitivo. My name is Joanna from Joel on the Journey. My husband's just right behind me. We just left Grado. We're on our way to Salas. And it's 22 kilometers today. Cloudy. I have my raincoat, my poncho ready for me, just in case it rains. It's been on and off, drizzle, rain. Well, it was yesterday, so anticipating it will be today as well. But there's no rain in the forecast, just later in the evening. But then again, we'll never know. Look at that race, guys, behind us. So yeah, 22 kilometers today. We should be there in 5.5 hours. We just passed a steep ascent. We're gonna be up and down in the Asturias Mountains. It's been beautiful, comfortable walk. That's the beauty of this kind of weather. Even though despite it's raining, it's comfortable because there's a cool breeze in the air. So yeah, we'll take you along with us. I hope you're having a good day. And last night the Albergue it was okay. There was no heater, so if you're coming during this time, it's April, just bring a sleeping bag with you or something to keep you warm. Also no soap, so when you do wash your hands, if you do have paper soap or any liquid to wash your hands with, that will be great. What else? It was 15 euros plus dinner, which was 14 euros. Breakfast was 5 euros. So that's about it. We'll catch up with you guys later. Come and join with us on our walk on stage 2 in the Camino Primitivo. Yeah, hope you have a good day and buen Camino. The sunrise right there. Bye. There's an uphill ahead, and we just came from a steep ascent right there. So I know it's hard to see, but just when you think it's over, there's actually more. We just reached the top. Now we're heading into the descent. That's where we came from. Now to the forest. Here we go. We came from there. Big steep up. Let's go. Oh, lots of them in the mountains. What are they? They are please comment on the section below and let me know what it is and let us know. But we're in steep descent here, so what goes up must go down. Just need to take your time. It's rocky, so if you have a stick, that's very helpful, but it's really steep. So from Grado to on the way out, 5 kilometers of it is just really going uphill, and that's the highest section of the stage. So the rest is just gonna be downhill. So again, if you know what these are, if you know what these are, let me know. That's where we came from. That's where we're heading. So there's 2 pilgrims walking the path, bare feet. Amazing, just amazing. Walking along the highway. At least it's on the side. This is a monastery. Corneas. Oh no, Corneliana.
So that's the hard one. And then it's gonna be Primitvo.
That's the view of the monastery right there. And we're climbing up. Hello, here's our update. We are about 2 hours away from our final destination. We just had a stop at the coffee place. A tip here in Camino Primitivo is if you find a place where you can stop, have coffee or have a drink, do so, because there's not a lot of support along the way. And just like the one that we had, so glad that we stopped there and, you know, have a coffee and cola and took a break, because as soon as you leave the town, it's uphill. So hope you're finding this tip useful. All right, off we go. This has been my favorite path so far. It feels soft on the feet. Entering a medieval bridge. Frente de Casa Zarina. It's very nice. Welcome to Salas. We've arrived. Beautiful small town. Monasterio de Corneliana. 1024 to 2024. This town is beautiful. Ooh. It just always does that whenever we arrive in town. Is it open? It's closed. Hola, buenas tardes. Welcome to Salas. Made it to our albergue. Casa Sueño in Salas.